How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget the network, you will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Also you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now you can go ahead and check whether your messages are available or not. Next thing you want to do is update your Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Next up, launch Instagram. Navigate to the profile page, head towards the settings and activity page. Scroll down, navigate to the option messages and story replies. Now click on the option message request. Your followers on Instagram, click on it. Now set it to message request. Head back, navigate to the option others on Instagram. Set it to message request. With this solution, you will be good to go. Your message will be available. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.